We have an announcement to make.
Thanks so much, Pop. Thanks for your help. That was really cool. And so yeah, hi, my name's Emily, and this is Pups. This is Leo. Leo's in a little bit of a lucid dream trance right now from the beautifully long day of teaching and learning together with youth in southern New Hampshire, public schools, right? What grades? 6 through 12. And we've been doing this since the fall. You know, there's hybrid options. It's really lovely, a lot of challenges, a lot of growth, but wow. We're learning together, right? Problem solving, all the snags. So anyway, I just wanted to make a really short announcement that in a month from today, on May 1st, I am going to be announcing, well, actually I'm going to be commencing the start of a fundraiser for a month long. And it's going to raise funds for a small business endeavor that I'm going to be implementing this summer, a pilot program of basically remote art classes for adults. And we're going to focus on creative play. So that will include puppetry. It's not limited to puppetry, and even if you're interested in art classes and creative play, getting in touch with your inner creative capacity, if you don't want any puppetry, it's totally fine. So there's going to be so many choices. It's going to be like this a la carte thing. And the fundraising itself is going to offer a lot of awesome thank you gifts. For instance, like art originals, right? And art prints, and some handmade puppets, and most importantly, the classes. So awesome 90-minute classes that have a methodology that I've been working on. So that's basically it. Stay tuned. I'm going to be sharing more as we go forward.